Hi guys, getting my eyebrows done was kind of difficult when I first started, and also I found it difficult to find other eyebrow shapes that I would love to try. So I decided to film this video for those with sparse eyebrows and oval face shapes. So here are two eyebrow shapes to help you guys. So I like to use a black pencil and a brown pencil to really get the effect that I want on my brows, and you also need a spoolie wand. I'll be picking up this powder. If you have oily skin, this is good for you. I've tried this before and it was really good, and I was just impressed with the outcome. So I'll brush my brows upwards using my spoolie brush. You always want to start with this step first, and then we are doing the soft curved eyebrow. This is the one you mostly see on everybody. You see it on celebrities. They have this really soft curved arch on their brows. This is really easy to achieve, and this is what I usually go for every day. If you are a beginner and you have sparse eyebrows or you have oval face shape, this brow shape is perfect for you. So as you can see, I have sparse eyebrows. That is why I decided to use the black and the brown pencil. So first I use the brown pencil to create hair-like strokes. Then I pick the black pencil and focus more at the tail end area, and then just use this a little bit to cover up the areas where my brow pencil didn't go to. And if you notice in this video, I use the brown pencil at the beginning, because when you use the black pencil at the beginning, then it is too harsh. This technique makes my eyebrow appear fuller, and it also gives the illusion of natural brow hairs. That is why I use this brown and black pencil together. So if you are like me and you have sparse eyebrow, definitely try using this black and brown pencil. If you have sparse eyebrows like mine or worse than mine, just love who you are, love your skin, love how God created you. Rock your sparse eyebrows. You need to be happy. You need to be grateful that you have sparse eyebrows, because you can create any eyebrow shape that you want. There are days I don't do anything with my eyebrows. I just leave it the way it is. Scanty, sparse, thin, whatever, I don't care. I fill in my brows most of the time just to complete my makeup look. If you are out there and you have sparse eyebrows, just know you are not the only one. I have sparse eyebrows. Other people have sparse eyebrows. Love who you are. Accept yourself. Be grateful to God. God created you this way. It's not the end of the world. If someone out there thinks you don't look beautiful because your brows are not full, then that is their loss. Anyone that doesn't accept you, stay away from that person. You don't need bad energy. You need people who will accept and love you for who you are. But first, you need to love and accept yourself. Number 2, the second eyebrow shape is the hard curved angled eyebrow shape. This brow changes your eyebrow look from 0 to 100, and it is pretty easy and really beautiful. You should try this eyebrow shape if you haven't already and you have oval face shape. With oval face shape, you can rock any eyebrow shape that you want: curved, eye arch, soft curved, hard curved, S shape. Yeah, there's S shaped. You can rock any eyebrow shape that you want. For more eyebrow tutorials and eyebrow tips and tricks, please subscribe to this channel. Stick to this channel so you can get more amazing content to help you on your makeup journey. So guys, click on that subscribe button right now, and also click on the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload new videos. Thank you. The difference between the soft curved and the hard angled eyebrow is just the arch at the top. This one is angled while the other one has a soft curve to it. When defining this eyebrow shape, you need to be careful around the arch area because you want it to be angled and not soft curved eyebrow. So you need to be careful around that area, guys. You want the arch to be pointy and angled. Let me know, guys, down below in the comment section, what do you think about these two eyebrow shapes, and what other eyebrow shape would you like me to share? And just let me know what you think. Would you be rocking any one of them? Which eyebrow shape are you currently wearing? I would love to hear from you guys. So one thing to take away from this tutorial is love and accept yourself for who you are first, and others will learn to love and accept you also. Don't be fake, be real. You don't need to be what others want you to be or look the way others want you to look. You just need to accept yourself, enjoy the moment, live a day at a time, and be you. If you watched this video till this point, leave down in the comment section, I am beautiful. Leave down in the comment section, I am beautiful, and I'll know you watched this video till this point. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I'm so happy to finally share this tutorial with you guys. Here is a video on how you can shape and groom your sparse eyebrows. So click on this video and watch how you can shape and groom your eyebrows, and also this video on how you can fill in your eyebrow.